YouTube, this is Sam back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at Windows 8 or Windows Developer Preview. If you if we move this over a little bit, as you can see, this is Windows Developer Preview Evaluation Copy Build 8102. Now I'll be putting a link in the description where you can get this as a 32 and 64-bit version. There is also a what's it called? There's also ones with developer tools. This is just this plain one. Well, first of all, it does come with Metro style apps, and you get presented with a screen like this when you first start. Now, when you have a multi-touch display, you can scroll over like that, but I don't, so I'm using this. Here's your basic applications right here. Here's your tiles. If we go back to the desktop, there's desktop. Hopefully it's getting all this. It's changed a lot. As you can see, a lot of things like the control panel. If you want to go back to if you want like the older version of the control panel, you're just gonna scroll down and click more settings, and it brings you up to this. But my this isn't really a review, but just my first thoughts. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's not as good as Mac OS 10. I mean, I still love Mac OS 10, but it's pretty cool. Internet Explorer. When you click on like Internet Explorer, it'll bring you up to here, and that just randomly brought me there. I didn't even, I didn't even go to that. But sorry, because I just had the what's it called? I just had the trying to remember what I don't even remember what I was talking about. Sorry. But this is installed on a Mac. Whoops. I need to go to Control Panel and go to more settings. And as you can see, it is installed on a Mac. If I can find the stupid thing, I can't even find it. Let's see. Let's go to the Explorer. As you can see, there's Boot Camp-C. There's all these files, and Macintosh HD. It also says, if I go to Computer Properties, let's see. Does it tell me the type of no? It just says Windows Developer Preview. System rating is not available. Intel Core i5 CPU, 4 gigs of RAM. 32-bit operating system. Now, if you're on a Mac and you're using Boot Camp, you don't have to use 64-bit. You can use either. There's the product ID, but you don't need to activate it because it's all activated already when you first get it. There's Windows Update. Here's the older version of Windows Update. The new version of Windows Update is, let's see, right here. Yeah, but it's kind of stupid and I don't like it. As of right now, I've been testing out all these Windows 7 applications and they work perfectly fine. But yeah, there's Socialize, bring you up to your Facebook, your Twitter, which I haven't signed into yet. But there's your Twitter. You got your stocks, weather. Oh, we can check the weather. Oh, that's not where I live though. Is there settings, maybe? Okay, that's, I'll have to figure this out later, but, it's actually pretty nice. And the lock screen, let's see if I can bring you out to the lock screen. The lock screen looks like this, and, you just basically pull up, and then you enter your password. And it unlocks. So that's basically it. That's just a quick, show of Windows Developer Preview. And it's available for download. I'll put the link in the description. And this is for Mac and PC. If you're using a Mac, you're going to install this on Boot Camp. You cannot install it on a virtual machine. You'll get so many errors. You'll get the new blue screen of death. Also, go look at my Tumblr. I'm going to put a link in the description for that. Go check that out because you can see my, all the recent tech news and whatnot. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.